friends! Welcome to Tiny Tales TV. Today, let's learn cleaning tools together. Are you ready? Let's start! This is a broom. A broom helps us sweep the floor and keep our home clean. Hi, this is a washing machine. Let's put clothes in and wash them. See? It's working! This is an iron. An iron removes wrinkles and makes clothes neat. This is a mop. A mop cleans wet and dirty floors. This is a vacuum cleaner. It sucks up dust and dirt quickly. This is a bucket. A bucket holds water for cleaning. This is a spray bottle. It sprays cleaning liquid. These are rubber gloves. They protect our hands while cleaning. This is a scrub brush. It removes tough dirt. This is a trash bag. We put garbage into a trash bag to keep our surroundings clean. This is a laundry basket. We keep dirty clothes in a laundry basket before washing. This is a feather duster. It removes dust from furniture. This is a toilet brush. It is used to clean the toilet. This is a squeegee. A squeegee helps clean windows and removes water easily.
Like our videos, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends.